sir. What can I do for you?
Good morning. My name is Romy Sweeter, and this is Papa.
Hi, good morning. You find the dog is
We have so many ways to find happiness. We don't success payment.
Oh, wait a while. You know I must to record in terms of law.
No problem.
Okay. Your name will to Mr. Stewart. Then please tell me your address.
46 Denton Street, Edinburgh.
Where do you find the dog?
actually last we find the dog. She finds us in Louis' house.
Have you tried calling the number on the collar?
Yes, but the number is not installed, so we only call for you.
And there is no address on the dog tag?
There is no other information.
No ID number. Without that, it is hard to find a host.
I think you will try to find the dog's owner.
Oh, we will try. Believe me.
And if you don't,
Yes?
I want to say that if you didn't, can I adopt the dog?
Yes. If the owner didn't claim the dog in 48 hours, then you can apply for adoption.
I know you must love the dog very much.
Yes, how did I do that?
You really want to adopt the dog?
Yes, I'm serious. If no one comes to Grandma, I like adopt her.
It's not difficult. If you want to adopt her, I believe it is also very happy to find a new host. First, we need to know some preference.
Parents, people we know to want information
We want to be sure that you are responsible and that you can take good care of an animal. Have to fill out each form about your family background. This is the form you can look at it first.
Is that easy?
No, there's more. We need to know about your history with animals. Have you ever owned an animal?
Yes, we didn't have a pet when I was 8 years old.
just to hold it and follow with it. School have one pet. I love animals.
And one thing more, if you're under 21 years of age, then an adult has thing for you.
Oh,
No problem. My parents will think it's a good idea. I'll be playing with them.
if the wheel's owner does not handle the peanuts. How long we will want to apply for the applications with peanut?
After 48 hours, but please call first.
Thanks for your information and for being to the phone. Moving more school, be happy if you hear about the call.